Hello there, and welcome to Factorio, episode 12. So in the previous episode we started building this defensive gun line, which is, well, it's very, very powerful, very, very good, and I realised after testing, probably useless. Because the enemy, they won't attack us unless we attack them first. So I'm going to leave it there, but I'm going to shut down the production of bullets. I don't think we need to worry about production of bullets just yet, so let's just shut down the production. So we'll still make the steel, fill it up with all its parts it needs, but that'll just basically not be needed anymore. If it ends up being a situation, well, we've got enough bullets there to restock with. We're going to do a bit of manual restocking, but that's fine. I mean, I could have put a conveyor belt into a loop so that the bullets go past everybody. That was also one of the original possibilities, so that's not a problem there. But for now, there we go. This, we can get some more ore on the conveyor belts if we allow this chain to go to the other side. Because there's a lot of conveyor belt we could put double-sided on it. It's not a bad idea. Let's do that. Let's do that. Do we have an underground piece? We do not. Okay, let's make an underground piece. Underground. There we go. Get rid of that one. Let's just put in conveyor belts. Let's see, go up from there. Could go down there and just put that in the area. No, we go up from there. We go right there and then right there. Okay, and then we go underground bit. Underground bit. Remove that. Put that there to there. That went the worst possible way it could have gone. Worst possible way you could have done that. Pick you up, put you, rotate there to there. There we go. Flooding the conveyor belt. There we go, there we go, there we go. So this will hopefully allow conveyor belt to be twice as effective when it comes to ore. Well, hopefully it will become twice as effective when it comes to ore because look at it, look at it. It's already flooding down. It's actually there. Look, it's already coming down. So that's going to get all the way down to here. And then these mines will basically, these will shut down basically at that point because they have no reason to be functioning, which is actually not too bad. It means that they'll actually act as extras when needed, and there we go. So that means that mine there is probably shut down as well because it's not, because it's obviously pushing its own side. I think generally speaking we're doing good there. These mines are now operational again, so we'll just put a lot more onto the market. Okay, I think we are good at that point. I could turn that one around and put it onto the top conveyor belt just to get extra. You know, let's do that. Let's rotate that one around. Rotate that one. Oops. Making some mining things there. Rotate. Put it there so we'll get extra resources. Yes. And also a bit more conveyor belt. Just there. Oh, you put it on that side, do you? That away. That away. Ha 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 ha. See, my little trick there is just to get that one to put a little bit more onto the other side, just to fill this side up as well. There we go. And this little piece here is made up of what? 86 pieces of iron. Yeah, I'm not going to do that by hand. But there we go. More efficiency in iron, which is not needed because look at our plates. Jeez, look at the amount of plates we've got available. Okay, so good news is we're producing these at a rate that just isn't a problem. Oh, we need to research. Research! What do we have? Gun turret damage. I don't really need the damage right now. Lab efficiency would be nice. Robotics would be very good. Flight, automated transport, but trains. Ooh, electronic distribution too. Give me substations. Yes. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. It requires blues. No, we haven't got blues just yet. Lasers. Yeah, I want lasers. Lasers sound a good thing to have. Lasers means actually that defensive line we built there wouldn't need bullets, it would just be lasers. Quite a lot of power, but that's something for us to look into. Okay, so we've got all that expanded, that's now building. We want to start producing lasers. We have our radar tower here peeping out all the time. Excellent. We should build a few more radar towers then, shouldn't we? Ooh, what are these? Arithmetic combiner, decider combiner, and constant combiner. What do the combiners do? I mean, I'm not quite sure what they actually do as a thing in their own right. Kind of confusing. Long-hand inserter. Ooh, we can make bricks for walls. In case we start making walls in the future, let's go put some bricks up. Brick, 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 bricks, bricks, bricks. So the way bricks work... thank you. I have the brick mine just here. So the way the bricks work is that they take stone and convert it into brick. Now I'm going to let my steel chests here have access to the... 1 second. I'm just going to turn you off 1 second. There we go. So the steel chest here is going to be storing stuff, but I want also store. Let's use an iron chest. Yeah, there's an iron chest. Yes. Now the way this works is you need to actually take the stone and put it somewhere with coal and burn it, like this guy here. So we would take that away and put the thing there being stone across. We could have you making something else instead of bullets. Retasking it? Yes. Let's retask you. I don't want to actually move you, so I'm going to move that power cable. Oh, that could happen. What's that? Flammables? No. Plastics requires... Ooh, plastics. We can make oil. Where's that laser we were making earlier, though? Laser, laser, laser. Laser turrets! Yes. Batteries, turrets, and lasers. Make me laser turrets. We get rid of that power cable. And I'm going to put a new one in its place and just put it on top here just for convenience. There you go. You see? Convenience. So we have a furnace right there waiting for material. Let's get a inserter arm. It's going to complain about lack of power, but that just was needed. We'll put the arm just there just to make sure it's good. Get one can go away then. It isn't needed there. Your power cable can be removed and moved somewhere more useful because you decided to put yourself in an horrible place. There you go. Perfect. Now, we need to get stone from there to there. That's not actually a problem. So let's go conveyor belt. And I don't want it to go onto there. So I'm going to actually tell it to go up at that point. Just because I don't want it to go into this into an iron deposit. There we go. And then here we'll go... No, that way again. And then that way. And then that way. There we go. And then boom. Oh, sorry. Boom. There you go. And I'm also going to put the arm back in now. I want to still keep that place stocked with stone. Because I do want to keep a supply of stone around. But I'll start making brick as well. So I'm going to take your arm away. I know it seems like kind of a harsh thing to do, but trust me, it's the best thing for you. And then we're going to put in another arm there. Oop, rotate there. And let you unload all of those for a second. And then we're going to put in a... Let's give you the iron chest. There you go. Let's take those out. And we can start making stone. And then we take those out as well. That should be a chest of nothing but stone. Oh, hello. We got bound research. And that's going to be pretty quick, isn't it? Explosives. Ooh. Explosives do seem like fun, though. Landmines and rocketry. But I want that, but I need the blues. Train tracks. I kind of want train tracks. Construction robots. Logistics robotics. Flight. Ooh. There's so many good stuff coming up. Instead of stack bonus 2. No. Fluid handling. Making crude oil and crude oil. Oil sounds like something we're going to be needing relatively soon anyway. So let's make oil. Right. So you're now making me bricks, which is good. Yep, 2 bricks there. And I need to make sure you still have a supply of material here. You're going to be a while before you're full up. But until you are, you're not going to let any stone get past, are you? You know that chest has enough stone in it. We don't need any more stone. So let's shut you down. There we go. We don't actually need more stone than that. I mean, a wooden chest would have probably done just as good. So there's always that side of things. I actually kind of want to keep some stone around though. You know, self manufacturing. But hopefully this place will back up a little bit in stone. If it doesn't, we can always do it later. But we have a supply, so it's not a problem. Hey. Right, so loads of steel, loads of stuff. We're starting to make bricks now, which is good. We have a defensive line on the north where basically on the map we have hostile pockets anyway. There's a couple down here, but if they attack, they shouldn't be a problem. He says, hopefully. Saying that, actually, the defensive line's here. Let's put a couple of radar dishes up. Let's send our range northward anyway. Let's do it. Radar dish. I was going to build one anyway and I got distracted. Radar dish. Build me a radar dish. We'll put it just here behind the gun line. So that we'll put it over here actually, right at the far end. So it's the maximum distance we can get on a scan. Radar dish is there. Pop it just inside the power grid. Put it there. And there we go. Extra scanning. Perfect. We are scanning a radar to expand, but the radar lets us see if there's any actual thing approaching, which is great news. We should put something down this end, but we have one there anyway, so it's not a problem. Hopefully it won't be a problem in the long run. Also, we do have a machine gun now, so we can defend our own pretty well. Alright, so stone's been made. We can put up that at some point if we needed to. Yeah, I could upgrade that if needed to. You're shut down for now. Just because. Okay, and our furnaces here are doing their job quite happily. Apparently we are using up the stuff. That's because we're doing research. We're researching. That's why. Researching uses up a lot of the metal, so that's good. We have crude oil right there, which is the plastics will come from. What there? Yeah. Okay, let's make a laser. How much does it take to make a laser? We need batteries, steel, and copper. Copper and steel I can get, but batteries I need to know how to make them. Robotics. Robotics. Would give us... I don't want them though. Yeah, that'd be good. Flying robot frame. Ooh. Electric engines. Oh, okay, we're getting to the point now where we're looking at major possible issues. Let's start working on plastics or explosives. Ooh, always a hard choice to make, isn't it? Combat robotics and modules. Ooh, modules. Speed, production, efficiency, and effect transmission. That is something very useful. I know that these have slots to put modules in. So modules will be very useful to us. Okay. Hey, there's a stone patch here. I forgot about that. Okay, so we have our factory operating. Our power grid is... How's the power grid doing? Power grid is... Well, okay, we're very close to maximum production on power. But that's... I know it goes down massively when we have our research shut down, so that's something to be aware of. May need to upgrade that at some point. How is our production heat going? Our production is pretty good. We've got a couple of hundred there. But looking at that, I would really like to actually up that production now to something a bit higher. If I move that, I could do it. Cut that out. And then, wow, we just shut the entire system down by removing one thing. That shows a bad design problem, doesn't it? Put that one there, put that one there. There. And, ooh, I got any more. Give me another one. Give me another one. It's under, ooh. Small, medium, and large. Copper plates needed. And we built some large. Give me some copper plates. F key. Grab. Thank you. And in here we have our steel. So give me the 16. I just want to make a couple of things as a test run. Give me the big poles. Because they're the ones that are going to be interesting to us. Right. Let's get rid of that. And get rid of that. And get rid of that. And let's see what these big ones can do. Small. Large. They have no extra range, but they have, I'm assuming, a longer reach. But the bad news is they have no extra benefit to us on like local range. So put them back in, put that one back in. There. There, get rid of that one. Put that one to cover there. Actually, that one can be moved over one slot and done much more efficiently. Just right there. Boom. There we go. Right, so we need another one of those little furnaces. Thank you. Ooh, modules. Effect transmission. If that basic beacon does what I want it to do, that would be good, but I don't know if it will. So, efficiency module, decrease the energy consumption, always good. Productivity and speed. Let's see, increase energy consumption. So, if we build the energy consumption one first, and then we can build the one of the others, and then those will actually work together to increase productivity or speed at the same time as reducing the actual power draw. Okay, I was making an oven. I need stone, funnily enough. Okay, if only I knew where I can go get some stone. Dun. Oh look, stone. Dun. Thank you. Right, make me another one of those. Dun. Here we go. And then here we'll put in the bits we need. So we need a window for you. Right there. We need a long arm there to grab the plates. Good. And a short arm there to grab the coal. And then you should start up pretty well. And then you put your extractor just there to get the stuff out of you when you produce it. And that should double our production. Well, not should. Will double our production of actual steel plates. Excellent. We could also put an extra one in if we need more. I think we're going to need a lot more of these. So it might actually be worth doing anyway. Yes, let's do that. Let's put some more. Can I make any more of those ovens? No, I have to go back. Maybe 2 more of those ovens. They're not ovens. Yes, they are to me. Thank you. 1, 2. Thank you. That's perfect, actually, having 2 there. Okay. Give me 2 more of those ovens. Ooh, a lot of stone coming out of there now. Give me 2 more ovens. We can put one there and one there. They are complaining about stuff, but that's what they do. They complain. Put you there, there, there. That should do us nicely. Give me... Thank you. Give me... Ooh, efficiency module 2. Yes, upgrade that the best we can. Give me you to output there and there. I just put you together, but fine. It looks weird if you do it like that. There, give me conveyor belt to go there. Then up here, we need to feed them with stuff. So we'll start with coal, because coal's a pretty decent short-term grabber there. You need to go away, and that's the problem. Yeah. If I get rid of that, it shuts these guys down. So I need to move you all over 1 notch, which isn't a problem. Just something I didn't want to have to do. Thank you. And thank you. Right, you. We'll go there and there. So we can keep the power cable in place. Then we go, inserter number 1 would go there. Inserter number 2 would go there. You two are already okay where you are. Long arm. I need another long arm, please. Thank you. And some more power cables, because I'm apparently out of those entirely. For some reason. I don't know why. It's not like I did anything with them all. I can't put it there because of reasons. So it's going to go there, which means I'm going to move this coal over 1 notch, which isn't a problem. There we go. Conveyor belt would go there and there. See, not a problem. It goes around a little bit. I can move that over entirely if it needs to be moved entirely, which I probably will do. But I need the long arms now to do their job. So, boom and boom. There we go. We are now producing high-grade steel. Is it high-grade steel or is it just steel? I think it's high-grade steel. But there we go, come on. And then you should both fund each other. Good. It is just steel plates, apparently. So what are these, the ones? Iron plates? Yeah, okay, we're making steel plates. Okay, that's fine. That works out very nicely for us. 4 times the production right now. Probably mostly steel will never make it past that line now. But we are producing from up here, so that's not a problem for production. It means actually we're using more steel to make this. Good. Okay, so because I know we're going to need those for research purposes, for not research purposes, for making railways. Why are you not doing anything? Is it? Oh, it requires blue for efficiency 2. Oh, well, that could give me productivity then. We need to start looking at making blue then. So, what does blue require us to have? Blue, 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 blue. Blue requires batteries and plastics, which we don't currently produce. Also steel, which is annoying. Copper plates and metal. Okay, so we need to make smart inserters, advanced circuits, and batteries. Ooh. That's going to be interesting. Probably best to reverse that conveyor belt so it goes the other direction. As I'm thinking is, if we reverse... Can you stay in there? Thank you. If we reverse that conveyor belt, then when it comes to doing science, we can actually have the manufacturing for these two down here in this much larger area we can work in, rather than trying to squeeze everything up here where we're just start getting a bit cramped. So that makes more sense to me at that point. Okay, so we need to start making blue. Blue is this stuff here. It needs actually 4 pieces, so it probably needs like a level 3 inserter. But let's start working on the core components of it. To make it, we need to make plastics, batteries. Look at the total raw at the bottom. Plastics and batteries we don't currently make. It's not a problem, but let's start looking at the top one. So we need steel plates to be delivered, and it needs smart inserters to be delivered. Those are both we can make at the moment. Very easy. So, give me an assembly... Oh, actually this way. Give me a smart inserter. What do you need? You need a normal inserter. Damn it. And an iron plate and 2 electronic circuits. Okay, so can we get rid of that from my control? Thank you. So to make the actual blue, we need to take your inserters, send some of them off and down. Hello. Thank you. You need that and you need that. The lab efficiency is that. Plastics. We need plastics for the next round anyway. There we go. Plastic making. That was a no-brainer. So I need your guys. I could just have a different machine producing them and send them down. That's always a possibility as well, because it's just circuits and cogs and stuff. That's something we can do. Flip those 2 around, send it downwards. Yeah, it's not a problem. But that's where my problem kicks in. I need to deliver. What was it? I need to get. Well, smart inserters need fast inserters. Fast inserters required circuits, yes, iron plates, and an inserter. Okay, so I need to make those. This just needs a lot of stuff, doesn't it? It's a complicated one. Okay, so I need cogs. I might have just a general production run that just does it for that, but it's just going to be very difficult to sort of mass produce at that point. I could send the steel plates down though, down to a later production run, because right now all steel plates are up here. And I don't really feel like having a separate line for them. Yeah, we're doing pretty well on the production side of things though. These guys here are producing steel at an epic rate. And that steel's probably not going to stay in there. It's going to be funneled off over here somewhere. Because we're going to need it. Okay. I might need to sit down and think about this one, how we're going to do it. But, most importantly, I need to get circuits. I need to start making fast inserters. That's all there is to it. So, oh yeah, I got one down there. We need to start making fast inserters to make smart inserters. Because smart inserters are needed to make... what do they need to make? We need to make smart inserters. So we need to make. We can make them. We can make them. Then we can make them. So I need to start pulling off some of your production queue and send it south. I think it might be best just to pull the production queue off and send it down, rather than actually making it in the ones up here. But having access to these resources, which are already here, could be useful. Because I just need to seal plates and an inserter, and I've got that there. Okay, put that down there. Okay. Yes. I think I'm going to put it there. No, put it. Put it there. Nice have a walkway between them. You will be making me some fast inserters. It's as simple as that. You're going to be taking cogs, not cogs, you're going to be taking circuits from there. Good, you're loading up already. And you'll be taking... I might just make this loop around so we can get all of the stuff from it a bit easier, so that's not a bad idea there. If I say to you there, then there. Go away. Tree, in the way. Tree's in the way. And come on, tree. Come on, tree. There you go. There, and then there. Remove that one. Right. So now you should have access to them. If I pick up from here, you should be able to grab them. You don't get a chance to grab them. Okay, I need to maybe put a fast inserter in there. Speed module. Oh, we can go speed module. Don't really need a speed module. I could do it in robotics though. Where's that one that does flying? Flying robotics. There we go. Right, I need to either give you more time or I need a faster inserter. I think we'll go with a faster inserter. Just because it'll be, well, faster. I need to make one, don't I? I don't have any in stock. Make me a fast inserter, thank you. Grab from there. That's a long arm inserter. Ah, it's fine. Does the job. I made the wrong one. I should have gone with the blue. I have a blue. You know what? Stop and put me a blue one in there. Okay, so you are now getting those. I need steel plates to be available to you, which I can do with a... Oh, look, a long arm inserter. That'd be useful. Because then I can just move these steel plates across and round. You don't need cogs, but does this one need cogs? No. Interesting, it doesn't need cogs. So, steel plates, you're going to go on a little diversion rerun here. You're going to go there. You're going to go north actually. There. Whoop, thank you. And then here you go down. And then down, and back. I could dump you onto there, but I don't really want to dump you onto there. I could dump you onto there and do a half and half split. That's not a bad idea. Oh, actually, that's not a bad idea at all. Let's do that. Let's do that. Remove. Remove all of you, actually. There we go. And then here, put you on there. Put the downwards one there. Put across. Whoop, don't want to do that. There to there. Then here, we'll put you... Right, this is what I'm going to do. Give me splitter. If I put the splitter here, that's not a bad place to put it, but it gets in the way of the tree. Go away. Go away. Put it there. Alright, so next thing would be put you straight down. And then that way. Get rid of that. You would go that way. And that should supply metal to both sides. There. You don't need metal plates, but it's just going to be an extra thing. Well, I think you do need metal plates, actually, don't you? So that's useful because it means you'll be able to grab metal plates from there as well. Aha, you have double access to metal plates, which is excellent. Right, so you've got metal plates, and the next one will have metal plates as well. See what we're doing here, getting very close to it. You can now have access to all the materials you need. You just need to offload. So offloading for you is going to be very, very simple. Down, 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 because it's going to be somebody else who grabs your stuff. You will then offload there. Hold on a second, you've got another conveyor belt to put in there. There you go. And now you're making those. Excellent, we're making fast inserters. Excellent, excellent, excellent. You are not actually needed, so you can just be removed. And we are good. Right, now here's the other thing. Making fast inserters. Next episode, we're going to start making smart inserters, which actually just requires me to bring copper plates over. Actually, no, it just requires circuits and fast inserters. You know what? Well, we're already here. Make me that. Because they're already there. So, assuming that we don't run out, I need to up that production, aren't I? Yep, okay. Where are you? Are you still making it? Come on, we can do this pretty quickly. Pretty quickly, never been done properly before, is it? No. You there, you there, you there, remove that one. You there, can output. Just go across there for now. And then power cables. We'll put one there and one there. That should be all we need for you. And then I tell you to make me smart inserters. There you go. And you start producing pretty quickly. Come on, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. So the downside is we are not getting circuits up here where they are desperately needed. Good news is I can solve that problem by just upping their production. But that'll be in the next episode. Until then, comments in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.